Hello students, this is Gautam. Today in this class we are going to learn the basic concepts of trigonometry. Before going to start these basic concepts, we have to understand what is the meaning of trigonometry and what are the applications of trigonometry. So before going to start this, we will just see the meaning of trigonometry. If you see, the word trigonometry is actually divided into three parts. Let's say trigono and metry. Okay, so if you see that there are three parts: trigono and metry. What is tri? Tri means three. What is gono? Gono means sides. What is metry? Metry means measurement. Okay, so trigonometry means what? Three sides measurement. Okay, so if anyone asks you what is trigonometry, you can easily answer now, right? So it is what? Trigono measurement means three side measurement. So where we can use three sides figures? Actually we will use one figure, that is triangle, right? So but in this trigonometry we will use only one type of triangle. I think you have aware about three types of triangles. One is equilateral, second one is isosceles, third one is scalene, right? So after this we have one more triangle, that is right angled triangle. So in this trigonometry we are going to use only right angle triangle, and we will solve all these different types of equations and some problems in this chapter. So what is right angle triangle? So we will discuss about what is right angle triangle. This is right angle triangle. So in this right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degrees, and the sum of two angles, remaining two angles, is 90 degrees. Let's say this is triangle A B C. Okay, here angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, and angle A plus angle C is equal to again 90 degrees. Okay, what we will do is, now we will add all the LHS and all the RHS. Okay, so what will happen here? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to, RHS means 90 plus 90. 90 plus 90 means what? It is 180 degrees. Okay, so I think you understood. The sum of three angles of triangle is how much? 180 degrees. So this is also 180 degrees. So this is the triangle concept. Okay, so in this lesson we are going to use right angle triangles. I think you understood this. And next, coming to applications of trigonometry. So what are the applications of trigonometry? So before going to start any concept, we should know why we are using that concept, in which industry, in which things we will use that concepts. Okay, so where we will use this trigonometric concept. I think in the world there is a lot of things, like people can't find the things. Okay, trigonometry is a basic and very interesting concept to give answers for all these things. What are those things? Example, if I ask you what is the height of Mount Everest, then it is very tough, right, to say the answer, because in your notes, in your Google, if you type that, it will come. But the question is, how they measure this height of Mount Everest? So this much big place, we don't have any tapes, we don't have any scales to find this height. So in this concept we will use trigonometry. Okay, I will tell you just a small simple concept how they will use. Here what they will do is they will take one line here and they will take one line here, they will take one line here. So by using 3, I think you can understand that it is one right angle triangle. So by using this right angle triangle concept, by using the concepts of heights and distances, heights and distances, they can identify the height of the Mount Everest. Like that, whatever maybe it is, they can easily find the height of that by using this trigonometry concept. Okay, and I think if anyone is going to civil engineering, for those people this is very important. And next one more application I will give. For example, if anyone asks you what is the distance between sun and the earth, what is the distance between sun and the earth, let's say it is L, how they will find this? Biggest question, right? You cannot go out of the space. You can take one tape, you can find that one. You can't do that. That's why here what they will do is they will use the trigonometry concept and they will find the distance between the sun and the earth. Like that, in different space applications, trigonometry is very much useful. Okay, I think you got some idea about trigonometry and you got some idea about the applications of trigonometry. Okay, so next we are going to see trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what is ratio? I think you people know about ratio, right? What is ratio? So ratio means there is one "ist" symbol is there. Here one number or any element is there. Here one element is there. There are two types of elements like this, right? So let's say A is to B, 1:2, like that. This is the ratio. For getting this ratio you need two values. Okay, now what I asked you to find the trigonometric ratios. Okay, so in trigonometric ratios, how you can find these trigonometric ratios? I told you we will use one triangle, that is what? Right angle triangle. Let's say A, B, C. Okay, AB is one side, BC is one side, and AC is one side. And you know that this place is 90 degrees. Okay, here we are going to see one new term, that is theta. What is that? Theta. Okay, this is theta. For example, if you want to find this angle, let's say this is called theta. Okay, or if you find this angle, this is also theta. Okay, but what we are going to see is we will find only C as theta and we will find the trigonometric ratios. Just listen to this more carefully, it is very important. For example, here I took theta. Okay, here I want to take two things. Okay, first, for the theta, this is base, right? This is base and this is perpendicular. Okay, so this is base and this is perpendicular. So what I did here, AB is perpendicular and BC is base. For what? Theta. Okay, for theta, base is BC and perpendicular is AB, and AC is what? Hypotenuse. Okay, AC is what? Hypotenuse. What I did is, for example, I think you people had some awareness about the probability concept. Yes, so probability is one of the biggest and important concepts in the mathematics. So here what I did is I have three terms. One is perpendicular, one is base, and one is hypotenuse. I have 3 variables here. By using these 3 variables, I want to make 6 formulas. Okay, by using these 3 variables, I want to make 6 formulas. For example, what I did is, I'll take P and I'll take H. So why I am taking this? I am using this for ratios. That's why I'll take first P and H. Second, I'll take B is to H. Third, I'll take P is to B. Okay, that means what? You can write P is to H as P by H, right? B is to H as B by H. P is to B as P by B. Okay, next one. What I'll do is, I'll reciprocal all these 3. Okay, then what will happen here? H is reciprocal, that is H by P. Second one is reciprocal, that means H by B. Third one is reciprocal and it is called as B by P. Okay, so for these I want to give some symbols. Okay, so what I did, by using P, B and H, I made 6 ratios. Okay, these are the trigonometric ratios. Okay, for example, what I did is, at that time they used some different symbols and different terms for all these things. First one is sine. You are using here angle, right? Sine theta. Second one is cos theta. Third one is tan theta. Fourth one is cosecant theta. Fifth one is secant theta. And sixth one is cot theta. Okay, like this we are going to see there are 6 different trigonometric figures. Okay, trigonometric ratios. Okay, so what is P here? P is equal to AB. P is what? Perpendicular. It means what? AB by base. H is what? AC. AC. Again, after that B. Let's say B. What is this? Base. Base means what? BC. BC divided by H means what? AC. A and C. This is the hypotenuse. H. AC. Next again P. P means what? AB. AB. By B means what? BC. Again. Next one, H means, I think you know, this is the reciprocal of this. That's why we have to just reverse that. It will come AC by AB. Secant is reciprocal to this. That means you should just reverse it. AC by BC. Next one is tan theta. Just reciprocal to it. Just reverse it. BC by AB. So these are the 6 trigonometric ratios. So if you ask me why they put these names, we can't say that. This is because they want to give some names. That's why they give these names. So by using these probability concepts, they gave these names to. For example, if you want to, if they want hypotenuse by perpendicular, you want to say hypotenuse by perpendicular, but the thing is they gave some name like cosecant theta, like that they can easily say that. Okay, so again I am explaining you. First one is sine theta, and second one is cos theta, third one is tan theta also called tangent theta, sin theta, this is sin theta, this is cosine theta, this is tangent theta, this is cosecant theta, this is secant theta, and this is cotangent theta. Okay, so these are the six main important trigonometric ratios. Okay, fine. For example, if anyone asks you how we have to remember all these things, okay, how we have to remember all these things, I will give you some small hint, small formula, like that you can remember all these trigonometric ratios. So what I will do is, I will give some name. Okay, remember that name properly. What is that? Is Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. What is that? Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Okay, so just see here, P by H. What is that? First one, that is sin theta. Next, B by H. What is that? Cosine theta. Next, P by B. That is what? Tangent theta. That is tan theta. And again, if you reverse this, okay, H by P. What is that? Cosecant theta. Next, H by B. That is what? What is that? Secant theta. And next, B by P. That is called cotangent theta. That is cot theta. Okay, like that, by using this formula, you have to remember this name. What is that? Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bole. Like that, you have to remember this name. So if you remember this name, you can easily remember this, all the trigonometric ratios. After you understood this trigonometric ratios, we can go for further concepts. Okay, because these are the very key important things for the trigonometry. Okay, you have to remember all these trigonometric ratios. And last, we are going to see small trigonometric values. Okay, see here, this is the exact values of trigonometric functions. Okay, I think you can understand this. They are here. What I did is angle, degrees and radians, sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. First you learn sin theta, cos theta, and tan theta. If you learn these three, you can easily understand the reciprocal of these three things. Like sin theta means, if you want cosecant theta, you will just reciprocal that. If you want cos theta, you can just reciprocal that. If you want cot theta, you can just reciprocal that. Okay, so before going to that, we will just know what is radian. Okay, radian, you should know the value of this. This is called pi. Pi is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, so if they are asking you pi by 3 means what? 180 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 60s are 180. Means pi by 3 means what? Is equal to 160. If they ask you what is pi by 6, then 180 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 30s are. That means pi by 6 is 30 degrees. Next is pi by 2. Pi means 180 degrees. By 2 means 2 ones are 2, 2 90s are. That is equal to 90. Pi by 2 means 90. So I have to remember all these. Sin 0 is 0. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Sin 90 is 1. Again, cos. Coming to cos. Cos 0 is 1. Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is 0. Okay, So I think it is somewhat difficult to remember all these things. That's why I'll give you small hint. Okay, these values of sine is just the reciprocal of cos. Okay, for example, sine 0 cos 90. Next, sine 30 cos 60. So both are same, right? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Next, sine 45 cos 45. Both are same, of course we know. Next one, sine 60 is cos 30. Next, sine 90 is cos 0. Okay, so the thing is, if you learn only sine values, you can easily remember the cos values. If you know sine and cos values, you can easily find the cosecant and secant values. Okay, this is the first concept. And tan is very easy, you can easily remember this. Tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, and tan 60 is just reverse of this, that is root 3. Tan 90 is not defined. Okay, so till now we understood, I think you people understood the basic concept of trigonometry. Okay, a basic concept of trigonometry and the meaning of trigonometry and the ratios of trigonometry and the values, some values of trigonometry. I think you understood the basic concept. So if you remember this, if you start by hearting this, you can easily understand, you can easily go for the next topics. Okay, thank you very much. See you soon. Goodbye.